Another day, another delivery. As I said yesterday, we would receive some boxes. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big boxes. So let's start. This should be Gundam or plastic model kit related. I can't remember all the exact kits in here without opening the computer. That's not gonna happen right now. So let's start with the first box. Now this one is all new, Damascene. Now this looks almost like a dragon. So this is completely new Gundam Age. I'm just gonna fix the camera here. It looks a bit twisted. And then we have more of the Red Force from One Piece. The red ship actually looks like it is in some kind of glossy red. Pretty nice finish. We got the GC Force. I think we have that already. More Damascene. Let's see, what's this? Gaahleri. We actually had the Gaahleri, crazy name. Looks like sounds like I'm joking on something. The blue one, I had it in the beginning when I opened the website. Hasn't been back since. This one looks very closely related to that one. Of course, you could say that because of the name as well, but finally we got something that looked a bit like it. More GC Force. And we have the more Gundam Age Orbital. Now this one has kind of a sea vibe to it, I think. But yeah, this is also new in the shop. I think there's more in the other boxes. This one is great. The RX-79G. Is this one on the website? I have my doubts now, but what I like about this one is the huge backpack. It has this big box where you can put the weapons inside. I just have to check afterwards. I can't remember if we already have that one. Actually, we're starting to have so many different kits in the stores, so I have given up on remembering all of them. Also because at some time I had a guy helping me creating all the kits at the web store, and I told him just start from an end, and he like created 100 different ones in a random order, and I think we don't even have half of what's actually made by Bandai. Turn A or A Gundam with the upside down A. This is a very unique look. I mean, look at those legs. This has never been in the shop as well. Very special Gundam, I must say. So in these deliveries we have some first timers in the store, which is always fun because restocks is great, means that the other parts is selling, but I'm just gonna get rid of this box or else there will be no room for me. But all new kits is great because then we expand our inventory with more kits. And it's important to remember that a lot of you guys are writing me asking when will this be back in stock, or can you get this? As a first rule, try to imagine that I do not want to have any sold out items at the Gundam section at all. The problem is that once they go out of production, I can't get any, so we have to wait. And one thing to get around that is to order enough, but I can't order 100 pieces of each because Denmark is too small for that. We don't have the finances for that, and some of the kits don't sell just as good as a lot of the others, and it's difficult for me to know exactly which ones will be great selling. Like Sadra, completely new kit, also looks a lot like the Gaahleri. I'm not quite sure if this sells. So we have to order, you know, a decent amount sometimes. More orbital. Sometimes it's very few I can get actually, and sometimes it's more. Where was the other orbital? That was here. Just trying to sort it so I don't have to do it all over again once I have to start counting. Let's see what we have here. Full armor Gundam 7th. This one actually has a lot of detail on the armor. And a lot of guns and stuff. Big butt flap hanging out. Looks very unique as well. We only got 2 of those, I think. More Seafoes and more Gaahleri. This is gonna be a mess. Well, never mind. I'll do it afterwards. This is great. Master Grade Jägern. We only, as I remember, got 4 of these. So if you guys want a Jägern, great artwork, then you need to be fast. This is something we've been waiting for some time. Sinatra Stein narrative version in the HG edition, and it is a solid kit. I built it in Master Grade myself, but what I have heard, it's a solid kit and it has a lot of the same details as the Master Grade. It would be possible to chrome all the thrusters and yeah, go all in this kit. And remember, on these white kits, panel lining and a good matte coat would look very, very great on it, because it does on the Master Grade and it gives it a completely different look. And I made sure to order a good amount of them, so we should not run low right now. RG Xeon, if you really like different design but with huge details on the verniers or thrusters here, then you could possibly have a lot of fun. That was the second box. So many cardboard boxes of the big ones here. The thing is that big cardboard boxes costs a fortune right now. It's like 25 to 30 kronas a piece, if that can even do it. And I can't really use them right now because I don't sell big quantities, but once we get the perfect grades, I normally cut them down and use those because it saves a lot of money on the website, the web store. So right now I've been stacking them up, and it fills quite a lot in here. What do we have down here? We have more of the pirate ship, Red Force. Let's see if they even sell. I bought a few of the Deku LBX kits. It was sold out. It's a funny little guy actually. I bought, this was just a fill-up, Versal Knight Gundam. Yeah, so if you're into SD kits that looks like a knight, then this could be great. Dancing again, it's at the bottom here. And then we got this Sea Gundam. The fun thing is that this is from 13. Now the Sea was just made here recently with the new movie, but Hathaway's Flash. But it's apparently an old kit. Now you can obviously hear that I don't know my Gundam lore down to the last detail, but I was actually surprised that that kit was so old. I'm gonna let that be in here. So get rid of this box. 2 boxes left. Let's have a look what's inside this one. Maybe we're almost here with the different kind of kits. I can see these is something we already have. And you know, when I have to go down there, I just block the pathway. Well, everything is blocked. There goes all the something from display I just knocked down. Great. Probably see it in my face expression. I'm getting tired of this. GC Foss. Already had that one. Sadra, we already had that one. There's nothing much new in this box. Gundam H3 Orbital. Here comes something new. Gyaradoga. Back home, finally. The big military looking mobile suit. Love that one. In the beginning of the web store, we could hardly get any of these. Seems like they started to reprint some of them. Got some more Sion. Sorry for turning my back, but there's no room. Got some more Turn A Gundam. And what's all this? 2 Sadra more. And we've got Gundam-Bua from Iron Blooded Orphans. This actually looks great with the color scheme of black and purple. I like that one. 2 pieces, that was not a lot. And then we got a whole bunch of part separators just thrown down here. Smart little part separator if you need to separate stuff. Last box. Here. Let me just open. So. This is from a different one. We got some green LEDs. Now in the green ones there are 2 LEDs instead of just 1, so you actually get a set. And we have some 30 minutes missions. The tank olive drop, which is kind of dark greeny gray. Yeah, it looks kind of gray, I think. Dark gray, but it says olive drop. I'm not quite sure what kind of color that is. More of those. Just thought that the coloring looked different. These are some old guys, 2002. Got Gundam SD kits. Couldn't help it. I needed to have it because, and the main reason was, look at the god hands. We know that one. I didn't have it. And if I see a Gundam kit that I don't have, I'm not gonna pass on it. I simply need it. I need to have everything in the store at some point when available. That's just how it is. If you want to be the best, you need to have it all. Liu Bei Unicorn Gundam. I think it was a restock. And we got a lot of markers. That's gonna be so fun to count these later. Lots of different markers. I have to put these over here because they're from a different shipment. Whole package of Gundam marker set, which is a new one. Perfect. Now we have kits for the rest of the box. We have Strike Gundam Striker weapon system. Now what's so great about this one is look at all the weapons you get in this one. So you can get the Ice Strike, Sword Strike, or the Launcher pack. Just like the Big Perfect Grade. This Army SD full armor Gundam with a great, so that's kind of a mask you can get on. Pickup. Not quite sure what that means. If that's something separately you need to. Let me just have a peek. Ah, it's here all right. This is the kind of tiny tank, and then here is the mask you can put on. It's just sometimes with these SD kits, some kids gets disappointed because you sometimes need two kits to make a version, and they have a hard time understanding why they can't get it when they buy this kit. So we have to figure out a solution to get them the extra kit, since I have not written it. And yeah. Then we have the, that's the same God Gundam. What is this? Option parts set 1. 30 minutes missions. Victory Gundam. Not Victory 2, this is the Victory. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, it's with the great shield. I do believe this is a restock that we ran out of. Here is also a great one, the Hugo. Now this is a weird looking kit, and we like weird looking kits. I actually saw and shared it on my Instagram, a guy that customized this one to look completely insane. It looked so bad in a good way. So Hugo is from Iron Blooded Orphans. Then we got this one, which is all new, and we didn't get so many of them. Never seen it before. Hambravi. Blue Fellow. Another kind of weird looking kit. Yeah. And as I said, I saw a kit, I didn't have it, I had to buy it. I'm a simple man. Wait a minute, what's this? And we got more option parts. What is this? This is also a part separator. Now, I did not order this. 5 pieces. No. Sometimes they make these small giveaways. Yeah. You could probably do something funny with that. So, guys, this is all was about it. Out you go. I'm gonna take the phone here to show you what kind of mess. Remember all these kits out here, just standing there. Got some in there as well. I need to figure out where to put all this stuff once more. Nothing different has happened since the last time. We are hit hard on sales actually. Right now, I think it's that time of the month where people are like, we're almost getting a salary and how much do we have left? So right now it's kind of slow. We just received notice of 8 big boxes on the way. Should be here end of week, I think. So double up of what we had today. It's gonna be exciting and a challenge as usual. Cry, cry, cry. Yeah. So I will just count all these up and put them on the website. If you need anything, guys, for wish lists for Christmas maybe, or just for building in the weekend or anything, feel free to knock yourself out and buy some cool plastic. See you later next week or end of week with new big, huge unboxing. Take care, guys. Bye.